Welcome back to Tech Savvy, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology for professionals. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the HP 15.6-inch business laptop. If you're in the market for a powerful, reliable, and stylish laptop that can handle all your business needs, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's get started. The HP 15.6-inch business laptop is designed for professionals who demand performance and reliability. With its elegant silver finish, this laptop not only looks good, but also packs a punch under the hood. First up, let's talk about the design and build quality. The HP 15.6-inch laptop features a durable aluminum chassis that gives it a premium feel. The 15.6-inch Full HD LED display offers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for everything from spreadsheets to presentations. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080, the FHD display ensures that every detail is crisp and clear. Whether you're working on graphic-intensive projects or just browsing the web, this display won't disappoint. Now, let's get into performance. This laptop is powered by an Intel Core i5 quad-core processor, which provides the speed and efficiency you need to multitask with ease. Coupled with 36 GB of RAM, the HP 15.6-inch laptop can handle multiple applications simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth, efficient performance. Storage is another strong suit of this laptop. It comes with a 1 TB SSD, giving you plenty of space for all your files, programs, and more. Solid-state drives are known for their speed and reliability. With 1 TB of storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space anytime soon. Plus, the SSD ensures quick boot times and fast data access. The HP 15.6-inch laptop runs on Windows 11 Pro, offering a host of features designed for business users. From enhanced security to improved productivity tools, Windows 11 Pro has it all. Windows 11 Pro provides a sleek, user-friendly interface with advanced features like virtual desktops, snap layouts, and more. It's designed to help you work smarter and more efficiently. Connectivity is key for any business laptop, and the HP 15.6-inch doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a variety of ports including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and an SD card reader. Whether you need to connect to a projector, transfer files, or charge your devices, this laptop has you covered. The SD card reader is a great addition for photographers and videographers who need to transfer large files quickly. One of the standout accessories included with this laptop is the Plusera Earphones. These earphones deliver excellent sound quality, making them perfect for video calls, listening to music, or watching videos. The Plusera earphones are designed for comfort and clarity. With a built-in microphone and noise-canceling features, they provide a premium audio experience. Battery life is crucial for professionals on the go, and the HP 15.6-inch business laptop delivers with up to 10 hours of battery life. You can work all day without needing to recharge. Portability is another key feature. Despite its powerful specs, the HP 15.6-inch laptop is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for business trips and meetings. In conclusion, the HP 15.6-inch business laptop is a powerhouse, designed for professionals who need performance, reliability, and style. From its robust specs to its sleek design, This laptop has it all. If you're looking for a new business laptop, the HP 15.6-inch should be at the top of your list. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching Tech Savvy, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay connected with us on social media and visit our website for more in-depth reviews and tech news. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.